How to use Zomato Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Zomato Wallet. You can use your Zomato Wallet to pay for orders in Zomato app by selecting it as a payment option during the checkout. So to do this, you want to open a Zomato app, order any item from Zomato. For example, I'm going to go with this. And after you've added the product to your cart, you want to click on View Cart. As soon as you do it, so click on Add Payment Method. You will then be able to see this section. So you have to go and look for Zomato payment, or you have to go and claim, or you first need to claim a voucher by going to your account section and clicking on the claim gift card and entering your voucher details. This will add the amount to your Zomato credit, which can then be used for payments. So before you actually add the product to item, now you need to go to the home page, click on the profile initials from the top right hand side corner of your screen, and next you want to go ahead and click on claim gift card. Now in my case, I don't have a gift card, so this option isn't available. Basically, you need to click on the claim gift card section, enter in the voucher details. This will add the amount of to your Zomato credit, which can then be used for payment. And that's how you could use Zomato Wallet. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.